What's up, guys? We're going to be reviewing the fire demon. I really need to get an upgrade. So, deathmatch. We're gonna go with this. We can do it. Okay, we can do it. Oh, I just in this match. I'm back. Face the fire demon. Oh, this isn't the fire demon. Just remembered. Yes, I got a kill finally. I hit it. Oh yeah, I can stand the lava, I remember. What? I just got jumped. Oh yeah. Super laggy, super hard to do this. I'm looking for the glitch part, and actually I'll just save that for another video. Actually, I might do a Golden Friend video. I might actually. But my Golden Friend's so weak. I can barely get killed with it. Look how laggy this is. Can I get triple kill? Triple kill. Power claw. I need to win the power claw. Can't get it. Did it get spam? Tell me. I need to get God mode. 21. Okay, we did good. Oh. Let's skip that. Okay. This is a good one because we can do this. Against the fire, whatever it is called. Yeah, firework. That firework. I might. I don't know. Come on. Yes. Really, dude? What? Fire orb. Oh yeah, this is called a fire orb, I guess. Can you get the dual machetes? Go on. I really need to level up. Trying to get what, charge? Charge. Sure sucks. Just all fix it after this video. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, this charger sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna trim this video. Oh, and we're actually winning. Oh, I'm actually in first place. Huh. Must have been. Wait for 2 seconds. Victory. So we won that match. So, bye guys. See you in the next video.